In this video, we will talk about the total surface area of triangular prisms. The formula that is given to us is capital P times H plus 2 times capital B. Capital P stands for the perimeter of the base, which is adding the sides of the triangle. H is the height of the prism, and capital B is the area of the base. Again, even though this looks like the base is a rectangle because it's sitting on a rectangle, because this is called a triangular prism, and because the triangles are across from one another, the base is the triangle. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the first part. Area or perimeter of the triangle. The perimeter of the triangle, I'm going to add 3 plus 4 plus 5. Then I will multiply by the height. The height is 11. Next, I will be adding 2 times the area of the base. The base again is a triangle. So to find the area of the base of a triangle, I'm going to do 4 times 3 and then divide by 2, because that's again how we find the area of triangles. All right, let's go ahead and start working this out. Adding the perimeter of the base, 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 12. I'm sorry, I didn't put the height in here. The height is equal to 11. So I'm going to be doing 12 times 11. And then I will be adding to that 2 times the area of the base. 4 times 3 is 12. Dividing that by 2 is 6. Okay. When I multiply 12 times 11, I get 132. And when I multiply 2 times 6, I get 12. So I'm essentially just adding those together. 132 plus 12 is 144 centimeters squared for the total surface area of this triangular prism.